Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. Here we have a heat exchanger that has 3,500 pounds pressure rated. You've seen previous videos that this had been used for the White Magic 1200, the CDS Hydromaster, as well as the Namco unit, and many others. On this video, we're just showing that we're using T-brackets instead of the elongated. So we can make brackets to suit the architecture of your machine so that it fits in any application and makes it easy for install. So we don't mind working outside the box. That's all we ever do is we make a heat exchanger or accessories that are tailored for your truck mount. This is 2024 and we're into February, and right now, like I said, this is going to Milk Creek, Utah. We use a 1 7/8 that comes in off the header. Your water connection starts here, travels all the way down through the matrix of coils, high pressure, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, and comes out here, and then from there it goes and terminates out through the front of your machine. So it's you could change the direction of the brackets just by loosening these clamps, and then just change them if you want them coming up from the side, because the side mount, like say on the caging of a Namco unit, then you can just move it appropriately to go in the direction that best suits the install. So here, like I said, we also supply 1 7/8 flex hose to allow for the, to make it easy to make the connection. Stainless steel flex hose is hard to come by, but we come by a lot of it. We have it specially made and custom built. So anytime that you need a heat exchanger, whether it be a post heater or a preheater or primary, this is a really nice heat exchanger, all stainless, 3,500 pounds pressure rated 3/8 heavy walled stainless tubing, and it'll do the job. And we've been pretty busy building our heat exchangers as well as our Blue Baron truck mounts, and you'll be very happy with this design. We sold a lot of them, and in this case, again, this is going to Milk Creek, Utah. We also build a header for it as well. So we do build various universal headers, and we start out with 1 inch. Typically the small block engines, Honda, Vanguard, and Kohler, come out as a 1 inch, and then we stage it up into a 1 1/2, which is acceptable to a 1 7/8 flex hose. So you end up with something really nice here that will fit. The nipple will go right down inside there and fit really snug, and we use 2-inch clamps. So you'll be happy with whatever it is that you decide to buy, whether it be an access point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, unlike any other in the industry. It's a patented design, and this is on our compact series. Really beautiful heat exchanger, and it also goes in our SE series. We've sold quite a few of these over the 18 years, and we're just very happy with what we have done with these heaters. The industry is needing a lot of these, and we also sell to John Donne for the ProChem aftermarket heat exchangers as well. And that helps in the ProChems, the Legend SCs, the Legends, Trailblazers, Bridgepoint Lancer. We're out there to help out and give you the best heat that you can possibly get with a long life. It's a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. So subscribe to our channel. We'll have more videos in the near future. On a month-to-month basis, we'll have a lot of videos to show you a lot of what we're building. Call us today at 727-505-2989 or go online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.